welcome back to our channel. And for today we're going to the store and get some necessity because we have hurricane coming in like tonight and tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. I have this already waiting for me. We're just getting supply for tomorrow. It's still, the weather is still good.
Friendly staff is available to treat you and your pet with care. Combine extended hours with online booking to allow you to give your pet.
Hi Z. Hi. Hi. Oh, what's that white in your clothes? You have white stuff in your t-shirt.
Pronounce the storm that's in.
What's the storm? What's the name? I don't even know. Like, I don't even know that there's a storm coming in. Like,
It must be in the form of cash, credit, or debit. Please begin scanning.
okay, I'm just done doing that is loading it up. It's not that crowded. Like this BJ is not crowded compared to other wholesale club. Hi. Hi. Are you okay? Are you good? I love you. I love you. Aww. Thank you, babe. we're gonna get some gas just to make sure because stores might close. And gasoline station might be really crowded. But yeah. Hi, baby. Is he daddy? I got some diapers for Z because they have like coupons and you save a little bit more if you have the coupons, but it's not like every month they have that specific product, so I just took the opportunity. Okay, we're gonna get some gas.
Closed.
No, they're not yet closed.
I don't want
No, you're not. No, just me.
to. Okay.
Okay. Say hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys, so we're back home and we're gonna just do a really short haul of what we got. It's not even hurricane thing. Napadami siya, Beshi! Yeah, masyadong madaming sale. So we're gonna start with this one. What's this? Pasta? This one is $7.89. So convert ko na lang siya to pesos. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa screen, okay? Yeah, that's $7.89 pero may coupon kami. So that's $1.50 off. Yay! Good job! Kumuha na rin ako ng eggs. And kinukuha ko yung I think this is 5 dozen. And it's just like $5.99 for the whole 5 dozen. So, very, very makakasave ka. Compare, if kukuha ka lang ng 2 dozen. And we got baby's Johnson baby wash. And this one is $12.49. Pero may coupon kami, so $1.250 off. Ilalagay ko na lang yung conversion niya to peso. No, baby! Babasagin na niya ang itlog. And I got some minced garlic. Ito na lang yung kinukuha ko para hindi siya masayang. Nasa ano na siya, nasa brine liquid. And tumatagal siya for like a month or longer. And then I got baby's diaper as well. Kahit meron pa ako, pasiguro na. That one is, how much is that, baby? That's $29.99. So $30. And I have coupons for like $3 less. So that's what? 27. Yeah, that's eggs. Good job. I got one repolyo. That's $1.79. Isang repolyo. And I got cheese blends for husband's salad. Oh no, baby! No! That cheese is $9.49 for 3 pounds. 3 pounds siya. Together. 1.5, 1.5. No, baby! Stop it po. Say hi, guys! Okay. Talaga naman. Oh, hug. Hug. Thank you. And then I got this family size lotion because it's on sale as well. This one is, yeah, that's eggs. Good job. This is $17.99, $18, but I got kittens for $3 less. So yes, $15 per book. And this is good kasi may grease skin ako sa aking. Yes, eggs. So I'm working in the kitchen and the gloves there, like, nagkaka-allergy ang lola nyo. Can you sit down, please? Yeah, that's eggs. Good job. Sit down, please. Can you say hi, guys? Look. Yeah, eggs. And then I got this one as well. Dog beer. 5 pieces na siya. And that's $10.99. Less $2 less. So the cheapness $2. So no. I'll just put this in the fridge, okay? Yeah. Tanggalin ko na tong eggs kasi talagang napaglalaroan na niya. And then I got this one as well for $6.99. It's like family size chips with spicy Doritos and Ruffles. Na gusto nang kainin ni Andy kahit di pa ako nakakapag-haul. And I got this one as well. 2 of them kasi yun ang ginagamit ni Andrew. That's Old Spice $17.98 but $5 off. So nakatipid na rin tayo doon. And last but not the least that we got is the big mayonnaise. Kasi ako na lang yung gumagawa ng ranch dressing ni Andy. I'll just make ranch dressing homemade. So I need this one. And this one is... Oh! Sorry! Aww! Ouchie! Sorry po. Hog. And this one is $7.39 for a whole gallon na. So, tipid na siya. Half of it is gonna be just regular mayo and half of it will be ranch. So, I think that's it. Yeah. See, bye-bye!